right, in Korea, it's different. Guys, I'm here with my mom. We're united. And of course, we're here to get Korean fried chicken, our favorite food. So currently just placed our order and waiting for our chicken. First meal in Korea. Yes, baby. Ooh. 아, 너무 맛있어.
그래? 이 맛있어.
진짜 맛있다, 이제.
난 날개 먹을래.
나도.
너 잡았어? 아, 우리 하나씩 먹자.
날개.
공평하게. 간장이 제일 맛있어.
This is a typical breakfast that my mom has, and we have all the time. Very much a powder blend that has inspired my first product by Ava, which the reveal is coming soon. This is the kind of breakfast we ate growing up. Always beef in the morning. Not your usual like pancakes, but this is the food that really fuels me. We have some amazing banchan perilla leaf, like this book. I don't know, acorn. So good.
이거 먹어봐. 모나물이야. 이것도 할아버지 줬어.
깻잎.
무는 맛있나?
그 다음에 무.
맛있어?
진짜 최고다. 진짜.
이거 먹으려면 먹어. 먹었어?
지금 끼니 먹은 거야.
먹었어?
And this is a dish called book. It's like acorn. It's like almost like 0 calories, but the best kind of side dish. Yeah, like sesame seasoning on top. So good. So today we're gonna go to my childhood house because we're actually going through renovation there. It's just so surreal being able to see that happen. So I want to see it before the whole thing goes under renovation, and my mom was able to kind of design the whole thing to see what the new house is going to look like. And I think the best part about this is that I can contribute and just give back to everything my parents have done for me by paying for the renovation and all the new furniture, and nothing brings me more happiness than being able to give back in this way. And I feel like, you know, starting this year is when things really change, where I'm kind of more providing more for my parents and really giving back. It's like swap now, and I don't know, just something about getting old. I don't want to see my mom get old. It's just so sad, but at the same time, I like that I'm in a position where I can really start to give back to my mom. So let's go. 뭐 먹을까? 돈가스 김밥, 돌김밥, 참치김밥, 아니면 매운 멸치김밥. So here at my childhood home, this was my room. My desk used to be right here, and this is the playground I used to play in. So we're kind of like gonna gut this whole thing, and apparently my mom's gonna get rid of this closet and kind of make it more like a beauty closet for me around here. So just so excited to see how this is going to change. That's the entrance. We have all this trash. This is the living room, the kitchen. This is going to be my parents' room.
앞쪽 방처럼 이까지 높이를 해서
아, 거기다 수납장 하면 괜찮겠다.
여기다가 장을 잘라고 장을 60cm 나오게 장을 짜잖아. 그럼 한 이까지 와. 이까지 오면 이 장이 없어지면 이 공간이 작긴 작아.
그 엄마 책상 놔둔다고 하지 않았어 여기다가?
작긴 작아도 내가 옷을, 그러니까 이 방에다가 옷을 많이 넣으면 폴딩 도어가 있어. 근데 그 이모는 이쪽을 폴딩 도어를 하려는 거야. 여기서 설거지를 할 거야. 그리고
그러면 자리가 많이 남겠네?
그리고 설거지를 하고 딱 뒤를 돌아가지고 여기 아일랜드에서 인덕션이 있는데 이제 거기서 음식을 만드는 거야. 여기서부터 인덕션이 올 거야.
그럼 오픈
아니,
키친이네 조금 더.
아일랜드.
Got some kimbap, just a little snack. We're eating it at our old childhood apartment right here. 눈물 난다 진짜, 그치?
그러니까
It's such a beautiful day.
이게 뭔지 모르겠다.
맛있어?
먹어봐. 안 매워. 안 매워? 괜찮지? 진짜 뭐 많이 들었지. 건강한 김밥, 당근.
이거?
이거
아로마티카 요즘 되게 좋대, 엄마.
이거 지금 없대.
아, 그래?
이거는 샴푸는 없고 이거는 지금 컨디셔너야.
아, 컨디셔너밖에 없네.
없대.
두피 스파.
이건 티트리네.
나 이거 시켰어. 다음 주에 와. 그거 사볼까? 티트리? 크림.
아 여기서는 이 상표 내가 많이 봤다.
좋잖아, 피부 진정해. 선크림. 와, 진짜 많다.
아 닮아. 이거 난 싫었어. 눈이 매워.
매워?
그러니까 눈이 못 뜨겠더라.
나는 괜찮은데.
예민한가 봐.
그리고 lunch today. 엄마는 우동.
진짜 좀. 무슨 쌀을 했는지 뭐 잠깐 그냥 나 이제 별로 옷이 있어? 그렇게 거야. 그냥
I'm back from Hong Kong and Bali, reunited with my mama. So we're gonna go check on the house today for more renovations, and today we're just gonna kind of give them instructions on what to do with my room specifically and how to do the storage and stuff.
위에만 막아줘.
위에만 막고 그 공기가 오픈되는 거네. 그러니까 문이 만약에 있으면 여기에 숨겨진 공간에다가 뭘
전체 자.
그럼 아일랜드에도
아일랜드는 그렇죠. 다 여기까지
근데
나오는 거.
내가 거기 이쪽으로 딱 가서 이 문 열면은 내가 이거 한 바퀴 안 돌아.
냉장고 좀 한번 주시겠어요?
이거는
서랍은 이거를 하고
네.
서랍 없는 20cm 그 폭 있죠.
네네네.
깊이가 깊지 않게 내.
그리고 중간에
사람이 앉지를 못해.
안 앉아 아니면 이 서랍을 이게 있으면 이 서랍을 안쪽으로 조금
때리 나온다 그러고. 그래 서랍은 30cm네. 그죠? 이렇게 서랍이 되는 거네. 네. 그럼 요걸 상판은 얼마? 2,000. 2,200이? 2,500 넣으면 되는 거네요. 아 묶고 나가자. 이렇게 그냥.
그럼 예쁠 것 같다.
아 그런데
여기는 다 단추하고 저기는 어떻게 하죠?
같이 단추하지.
여기도 다 단추를
네,
똑같이?
네, 네.
그럼 여기는
다 손받쳐.
단추를 할까 아니면 손잡이를 할까?
그리고 여기다
붙박이라니까
디귿자로 할까요 그러면?
이게 낫지 않을까요?
네.
Not my favorite bakery. This is where I used to come when I lived in Korea all the time, and it's like a very traditional bakery. 엄마 이거 내가 제일 좋아하는 건데. 뭐야?
연유가 들어.
연유 들어있는 거랑. My dad's favorite.
이거 옛날에 먹었던 것 같다.
이거?
이거 하얀 크림 있는 거.
엄마 뭐 먹을래?
한 바퀴 둘러보고.
그래. 김밥 먹을까? 난 안 매운 거.
나는 좀 회를 워낙 좋아하잖아. 시골스러운 이거
밴댕이.
밴댕이.
맛있겠다, 엄마. today's moving day and I can't wait to show you guys our newly renovated place. My mom did such a good job. So this is the entrance. Even this wood, it's so chic and modern. So we did this so that the entry would just be like this. You don't have to hang anything. But okay, let's start. This is the entryway. You walk in like this. There are doors. And this is the living room. Ah! It's my sister. We're making coffee because we have to get ready for all the move. But this is seriously my mom's hero project. And this is where the fridge would come in. Slowly moving things. This is like a very simple breakfast of like random things from our fridge that we had to bring. 여기 조명 좋다. Moving day.
We got some like fried sweet potato and octopus.
Yum! We went to our favorite place growing up to get this. It's like a hole in the wall place. It's still pretty cheap. Later, I'm here and my mom's been setting it up. We now finally have furniture. Look! Ta-da! 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 I helped pick the dining table right here. This is the kitchen. And our fridge is actually in now. Look! We have 2 fridges. One normal fridge and one kimchi fridge. And this is my mom's dream that finally came true. Hey! 배고프지? Done! First breakfast here. Look at our kitchen. She's loving it. The chokehold these plates have in Korean. And I know you guys have been waiting for my beauty closet reveal. This is a picture of me when I was young. My grandma drew it for me. It's so cute. The bed. And I reveal my beauty closet and a desk. Like, this is so ideal. I can put all of my makeup in here. And then literally more makeup. And all of this is just for skincare and other storage. I have some bags. These are just all empty. And some more hidden space right here. So brilliant. Thank you, Mom, for designing this whole thing for me.